friends, today we are going to make delicious dates halwa with simple ingredients. For that I have taken here 400 grams of fresh dates. If you are using dry dates, then soak them in 2 cups of milk. Take the bitter dates in a blender and add 5 cardamoms. Blend them well to a fine paste. Take a pan with thick bottom. To that add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Add some almonds and cashew. Roast them. You can use your favorite nuts. Transfer them and keep it aside. To the same pan add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add our dates paste. To that add 5 tablespoons coconut milk or milk. Mix them well. When complete milk is absorbed, add 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Stir them continuously. I recommend fresh dates. It's so tasty. When halwa separates from the pan, add some grated coconut. Mix them well. Add 2 tablespoons ghee. I have cooked only for 15 minutes. If you are taking dry dates, it gets time to get into this consistency. Add our roasted nuts and mix them well. You can transfer it to a box, or you can also transfer it to a bowl and serve it hot. Level the halwa with a spoon and let it set for a few hours to cool down. When it's completely cool, cut them and serve it. Please do try as date season is starting in Gulf.